Oh, our cameras are talking.
Yeah. Is my screen clean?
Yep. How's mine?
Kind of dirty, but I don't care.
It's like me.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this shit. This is a brand new
Is
shirt.
that pink? That's nice.
Don't be jealous.
That's nice. It's pink.
Why are you jealous?
That's nice.
Why are you jealous?
Suits the bike you're riding.
Alright, I'm coming over.
You insecure about that or
How
what?
dirty I am and he's
Go on,
clean.
It suits the bike I'm riding.
Wearing a white
Also
shirt
nice.
and just a bit dusty.
Really?
Maybe before you go.
All right. Jen, I'm sorry, but we're going to need some private time in that trailer. Have it all.
See how much those axles can take.
God dang it. All right, we got to go. I got to get out of here. A little bit. Let's go. Everybody good? Good, good, good. All right. Apartment's closed. Raiders closed. That's all good. All right, we're good to go. Can you fit through there? trying to straddle that. I climbed up that once. It fucked my bike up so bad. My plastics are all ripped up and everything. Yeah. It was terrible. It was terrible. It was a dumb mistake. It was a dumb idea. You want to hit that one while he changes his card? I don't know.
You gonna full sand in the baby hose?
I guess so.
You gonna skim it?
I thought that tire was kind of...
Spinning so fast, it's not used to that.
No, it looked like it was starting to like, it was almost like kicking in or something.
Pushing in it shot.
Think that's all it was?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pushing needs to change out. Not
Okay.
even that, I'm going to say too.
Okay.
Yeah, it picked up off the ground.
Yeah, is that what it was? Is that what,
Yeah.
okay.
It's that pushing. It's fucking.
Yeah.
That motor or something.
It's too much power.
Yeah.
Pushing going left like one
He's
time.
not used to that part.
No.
I have your camera. Motherfucker. You messed up your angle. Piece of shit. You might need to get Jen to do. My hands are all dusty and shit.
I might
It's still dirty.
need to get some Rain-X for it.
Yeah.
I think you can skim it.
Let me see.
Oh,
You did for about half of it already.
Yeah.
I bet you can do it.
Come here, Mark.
No, you can't.
Come here, Mark.
Mark, you can do it without Carol. Come on. Let's see one without Carol. We'll put it on you.
Come on, Mark.
She doesn't want the back seat bit.
Ah.
Oh, fuck no.
All right, move out of the way.
1 second.
Hurry up. Don't hit the Polaris.
Hold on, I'll get you on slow-mo. 1, 2, go.
Whoa, shit.
Took off a little too fast.
Holy shit. Come here, buddy. Come here. Let me get that camera for you.
Hey, it looks like I was riding a Renegade.
Jesus. Carol, can you see it?
I didn't think it was going.
Oh, you got
I got it on
wet too.
slow-mo. That came out fucking awesome.
Let me see, buddy. Is the camera clean?
Camera clean? Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
I can't turn the camera off because it's too wet.
I
Oh.
didn't think it was going to come up like that.
I'm still just recording.
There we go.
Scared the shit out of the phone, Mark.
Well, it scared me a little bit when it pulled to the right like that.
That's why I wasn't
'Cause
launching.
I was afraid I was going to hit something over here.
I wanted to launch from back there, but then I was like, it's too wide.
That was badass. Mark's like, I don't want to get the seat wet. All right, fuck it.
Move out of the way.